Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. In this video, I will describe about a solar-based multi-purpose agriculture robot. So let's check the full operation of our project first. So you already see that which types of components we used here. So we make sure power supply for this system. So our LCD is showing solar based multi-purpose agriculture robot system. So in this system we will control different types of operational part, and here plow for digging soil is off and plow for digging soil is running now. And then we will check our another options. Leveling ladder system is off now and leveling ladder system is on now. So we can control another parts by using this remote and IR receiver. This is our plow, and this plow will be used here to digging soil, and this plow is up and down by using a servo motor, and this servo motor will be controlled by the command of our remote. Now we will control our another options that's used here for leveling soil, and here we also used here a servo motor and leveling bar, and it will be controlled by our remote. And here we designed a seeding system, and this seeding system will be automatic, and this one will be turned on and turn off by the command of our remote. So we adjust the seeds in our seeding system, so it's supply the seeds to our soil, and it will be go to our soil by using a pipe. And now you can see properly the output of this seeding system. So after digging our soil by using plow, then seeds will be seeding, and then we will level our soil, and finally we will provide water to our soil, and it will be controlled by our remote, and water will be flow to our soil. So now we will show you the operation from another side. So it's soil leveling system and it's working properly. Then it's our soil digging system by using plow. So we can control our plow by using our remote. So now we will use our remote to go backward and go forward of this robot, and we can rotate this robot to left or right also. But in this case, I wanna say that this rotation is not working properly. But if we change front side two wheel with free wheel, and then if we want to control this rotation, at that moment it will rotate more effectively. So if you order this project again, then we will change one side of this wheel, and then this rotation will be worked properly. So you see here that our system is decorated here properly, and this solar panel is used here to generate power to make sure power supply for our total system. Thank you so much for staying with us for a long time. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.